Davidson's new CEO comes from Top Golf, which you know isn't exactly the place you go to find the next visionary in motorcycle culture. Unless the new plan is for the Road Glide to come with nachos and a bucket of range balls. Titleist for CVOs only. Considering my only golf experiences involve nearly killing an ostrich and taking a 5-iron to the forehead, my cynical little heart is naturally ready to tee off on this one. But here's the twist that fouls up the Harley is doomed rants. This distinguished lad went out and learned to ride at a Harley-Davidson riding academy. Maybe it was recent, but still, now he's actually a Harley rider. Which means somewhere in his garage, there's a bike that doesn't have a golf cart key hanging next to it. And in this world, where CEOs usually couldn't tell a spark plug from a banana, that's rare enough to give me pause. If he enrolls in Universal Technical Institute, Pig's gonna lose his marbles. Backstory: I wasn't born on Pig. I came up on metric cruisers, Suzukis, Hondas, rolling with a crew of hardcore blue-collar Harley guys. And you know what? That whole Harley riders hate metric bikes thing? Total crap. First time I ever rolled up, I instantly got a barrage of jokes, stuff about needing a passport, wondering if it ran on rice, you name it. I'm soldiering through it, figuring this is gonna be a long morning, and then one smirks and says, "Nah, I'm just busting your chops. That's actually a nice-looking bike." Color me surprised. Best group of cats I ever rode with. Learned a lot. Couple weeks later, I'm on a poker run with different peeps. One guy's Harley breaks down right as the ride started. Everyone's patting pockets, looking for tools. Nobody's got nothing, except me. Pull my little tool roll out of my Suzuki's burrito cooker. They laugh. Yeah, but those are metric. Turns out everything that needed adjusting on that Harley was metric. Beloved, the stereotype always eats its own tail. So when I see this new Harley CEO, yes, my dearies, the first instinct is cynicism. I've been around long enough to know the brand and the riders don't always sit at the same table. But the man rides, he came up through the same channels a lot of riders did, and that means, like the Harley guys who didn't care what was on my tank, as long as I could keep up, there's a chance this isn't just a corporate seat warmer. The world is cynical. The smart move is to assume everyone's faking it. But sometimes, the most cynical thing you can do is actually believe in somebody. Not because it's noble, but because it goes against the grain. And that's punk as hell. So yeah, Top Golf Guy, we're rooting for you. Just don't make me and Pig regret it.